Rylan Clark, 34, shared a hilarious rant on Twitter about his delayed journey at Houston. The presenter is set to join DJ Scott Mills in providing commentary for the Eurovision Song Contest's semi-finals for BBC One and BBC Radio 2. Rylan revealed he was travelling to Liverpool where he will stay for the finals. However, his journey was massively disrupted due to delays over the bank holiday weekend. He posted a series of tweets beginning with, "All trains suspended at Houston, you cannot be serious. This is how I perish. Sick." BBC Breakfast presenter John Watson inundated with support after Hess hospitalized. He posted a photo of his designer luggage and captioned it, "I live at Houston now." He documented his journey and the long queues and waits with various photos and videos. The former X Factor singer boasted, "The train has been declared declassified. No drinks. No good. No seats. Nothing matters anymore." Sick. However, all hope didn't seem lost as he made several friends, including a woman who offered him a cocktail. The celebrity Big Brother winner also found time to smile with fans whilst holding a small glass of red wine that he captioned, "Fuck this." He jokingly added, "I will give £50 to anyone that will cuddle me at the end of this experience, preferably throughout the night." The series ended by stating that there was no cuddle. And that was that. Fans followed his hilarious journey with users commenting, "Lol. Think of the adventure. Thanks for sharing." Don't miss. Amanda Holden refuses to drink alcohol on Britain's Got Talent. Reaction: Kim Kardashian opens up on staying silent for my kids during divorce. Latest: Jerry Springer's poignant parting advice to take care of each other. Update: another added, "I'm living for these updates. Godspeed." Sick. UK Eurovision contestant Mae Muller, 25, also displayed her interest stating, "I don't think I have ever been as invested in anything as I am with Rylan's journey to Liverpool." The long journey finally ended as the East London personality shared that he had arrived. He showed off his excitement with a smile, writing, "Liverpool. And so it begins #Eurovision. Welsh presenter Alex Jones, 46, replied, "See you there handsome," and BBC Radio 2 also showed its anticipation with 3 heart emojis. Earlier in the week, he shared behind the scenes including meeting King Charles. In addition to Rylan, the grand final will be presented by Graham Norton, 60, Ukrainian singer, Julia Sanina, 32, of the rock band The Hard Kiss, actress Hannah Waddingham, 48, and pop star Alicia Dixon, 44. The Eurovision semi-finals will occur Tuesday, May 9 and Thursday, May 11, with the finals on Saturday, May 13.
From